The FES Watch U, super expensive, super high quality, full e-ink face with a sapphire screen and an e-ink band, created by Sony, made in Japan, super expensive. This is not it. This is the FES Watch, but it's just the FES Watch, not the FES Watch U. This is a much more entry-level brand, and it's a lot cheaper as well. This is the FES WM1S. This is the white. This is made in Japan. This is the Sony device that Sony makes. Now remember, these aren't smartwatches, they're watches. Smartwatches would be able to tell time as well as any watch, but as well as do weather and some text capabilities and all that other fun stuff. This is an e-ink watch, not a smartwatch. It has basically little to no connectivity with your phone outside of actually just choosing bands. It doesn't have any sort of Wi-Fi or music or connectivity to do searches of any kind or internet connectivity. That's not what this is about. So you have all of your stuff in here. You have your how to put it on, the buckle, and you have the FES Watch instruction manual. So you can see it goes on your arm, everyone, and you can move your arm left and right and rotate it, and we will show you what all that stuff does in the full review. And look, there's English on this one, unlike a couple other products that we've reviewed and unboxed recently. This one actually has English, so you can go ahead and pause the video at any time if you want to read the English side of that. For now, let's push all that off to the side and see what is in the rest of the box, putting the watch aside for now as well. And oh, okay, well, that actually is a little bit surprising, because the FES Watch U, why it was so expensive outside of the build quality, it came with a cradle, it came with a USB cable, it came with all this stuff, but this one doesn't seem to have any of that. So here it is, guys. We'll keep that on screen so you can see it is the FES Watch. Okay, so you have a stainless steel band, that's very nice, and the band is full e-ink. Now, the FES Watch U will have a nice screen that is covered by sapphire, and it has a nice stainless steel ring around it, so there are some subtle differences. I am assuming this just runs off batteries, probably a CR2032 or something. It is water resistant. Oh my, in order to get to the batteries, you know what? I am not entirely sure if this is wireless charging, because in order to get to the batteries, you have a very fine Torx screw. A Torx is the star pattern. It's used for like game controllers, computer components, and it seems to have 4 of them. So in order to get the battery out, you gotta go to the hardware store and buy a Torx set, because you're not going to get that out with a flathead. You could, but you can run the risk of rounding the actual screw heads, so you don't want to do that. This is everything that comes in the box for now. We're going to do a full review and showing you how to get that battery out as well, but for now, this is everything that comes in the box: documentation, the e-ink device itself, as well as the box. If you guys have any other questions, comments, and concerns, let us know. For now, this is an unboxing of the FES Watch from Sony.